In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix something went wrong on Google Gemini. If Gemini keeps showing this error, don't worry. In many cases, the problem is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple checks. First, open Gemini and refresh the page. You can click the refresh button in your browser or use Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Once the page reloads, try entering your prompt again. This is the quickest fix, and it often works because small loading glitches can clear up immediately after a refresh. If that doesn't help, check your internet connection. Open another website and make sure it loads normally. If your connection seems slow or unstable, restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the issue is related to your network. Running an internet speed test can also help confirm whether your connection is strong enough. A weak or unstable connection can cause Gemini requests to fail. Next, sign out of Gemini and sign back in. Open Gemini, click your profile picture, choose sign out, and then close the browser. After that, sign back in using your Google account. This helps refresh your authentication session, which can sometimes resolve account-related errors. Another important fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files, then clear the data and restart Chrome. If the error is being caused by corrupted cached files, this can often solve it. You should also temporarily disable browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and turn off ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, and VPN browser extensions. Then reload Gemini. Some extensions can interfere with how Gemini loads or connects. After that, try opening Gemini in incognito or private mode. In Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+N, open Gemini in the new window, sign in, and test it again. If it works there, the issue is probably related to your regular browser session, such as cache or extensions. If the problem continues, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also disable any VPN or proxy, restart the browser, and test Gemini again, since some locations or routing settings can cause connection issues. It's also worth checking whether Google servers